Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this video is going to be a waterproofness test of the Boult Audio Airbass truly wireless earphones. So the IPX4 rated, so that means it's sweat resistant. So we're gonna take it up a notch. So we're gonna take it to the shower. So I just finished my swim. This is not swim proof, so I could not show you that video. Now I'm just gonna take a light shower, like how you go in the rain and stuff. After that I'll be going to the steam room. Let's see if it survives or not. So as you can see, it's getting drenched. The light is on. So that's it. I don't want to wet it too much because this is not really IPX5 rated, so won't be that waterproof. Now we're going in. You won't be able to hear me, so I'll just go in, be there for around 10 minutes, and then we'll see if it is still working or not. So a lot of steam. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. A lot of steam. A lot of steam on this. I've actually checked it out. No problem, no issue. My phone is actually acting up. It's locking the autofocus. So let me just get out of here. Even my phone is not used to so much of steam anymore. Let me just clear the lens. So this is how it's going to be. So you see I'm all wet, a lot of steam inside, and the earphones are working fine, no problem with the sound, nothing. You can see it's completely drenched, and this is the second time I've used it. So the first time I used it, I just stayed there for 5 minutes. So all in all, good earphone. I would not recommend showering with it because it's just IPX4 rated, so that's not shower proof. So I'm not going to do a shower test, so I'm not going to take it there. So anything beyond X5 I can take it there. Anything beyond X7 I will take it to the swimming pool. So go ahead, comment below whichever earphone you want me to test, which is waterproof. I'll go ahead and test it, and then we will see if they are really waterproof or not. 90% of them actually fail. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.